In this video, I'll show you how to download the InPost parcel app on an Android phone. So first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store app. Once it loads, click on the search icon at the bottom, click inside the search bar at the top, and when your keyboard appears, type in InPost. Click on the InPost link. Here you can scroll down and see information about the app such as reviews, etc. Once you're happy to install, click on the blue install button. That will now start downloading and installing to your phone. This could take several minutes depending on internet speed, connections, etc. Once it's downloaded, it'll then start installing to your phone. Again, this could take several minutes. Once it's downloaded, you can open it direct from the Play Store by clicking the blue open button. However, any app that I download, I always like to come out of the Play Store and scroll through my apps just to ensure that a shortcut icon has been installed on my phone. As you can see, it has. So if I click on that, that'll now open the InPost app. And that's how you download and install the InPost app on an Android phone.